All right, I want to go over the general operation of the tool. You've got your grip release buttons here. You've got your grip indicator, two grip indicators. We've got two different circuits. You've got your up-down. This is on a Harrington variable speed hoist. You also have this linear rail so you can keep your hands in a good ergonomic position. And you've got these toggle switches back here, which keep your hands in a good ergonomic position, as you'll see, because there's a lot of difference in elevation. So let me go ahead. Move on to the part. There you can see how I can go down. Hit the grip button, both grip indicators turn green. Go ahead, pick up the part. See how I keep moving down. Keep my hands at a good ergonomic elevation. A few other features. You do have, again, this linear rail to keep your hands with the floating handle. We do have a gripper safety circuit, so I can hit the release button. It will not drop the part in midair. We are also using air-saving pumps, so you'll hear a little puff of air when it drops a few inches of mercury. Show you how move up to a high elevation. That's a general operation of that tool. For more custom solutions, you can give us a call or visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.